It is I who will carry on John's work after he dies.
From now on, I control all aspects of the game.
You feel you now have control, don't you? You think you will walk away untested.
You want a chance?
I'll give you a chance.
We were all supposed to die. You were supposed to be the hero.
Most people are so ungrateful to be alive. But not you. Not anymore. Game over.